Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to convert Google Photo to JPEG. In order to convert Google Photo to JPEG, you have to follow the steps. Now first of all, you could go ahead and open up your browser, and on the web address bar you can type in googlephotos.com. By default, when you actually upload the photo, it's going to be in a JPG format or sometimes in PNG format. Now if you want to convert this, you could go ahead and locate the image. Let's see, I'm going to go with this one. So this is the one. So if you want to convert it, now tap anywhere in the picture and then right click on your mouse, go to save image as. When you do that, this is gonna be saved as JPEG, so you do not need to convert it. If you don't want to do this in a JPEG format, then you could also go ahead and select all file formats. So this way you do not need any of these formats. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.